I'm not sure what is the modification. What I don't want to arrive to the situation that a contractor will start in modifying the panel and operation will tell me, hey, I am doing this. I prefer that you allow me to finish. We coordinate and you do at this point.
Yeah, we are preparing the EDQC report based on the vendor recommendation. So we will take all of vendor's recommendation for the implementation of the matrix panel.
Yeah. So, Shruti, see, probably you know, I mean, some information, but I think we need further study or information by the vendor for this case.
Yes,
so
remove study, further information is needed.
Yeah. Further information
needed for new matrix panel console to control room based on the OEM. Based on the OEM.
Yeah, this is the this is the requirement. See, FS1, further information is needed for installation. For installation requirement. Installation requirement of new ESD panel. Affecting
new MOT control room. New MOT control room.
Normal OPERA operation.
Based on OEM EDQC.
No, OEM will do. So that you have to do.
So this is not a study, sir. Okay.
No,
EDQC study is there. No problem. No problem. Yeah.
No, this is not a study. Yeah. Normally in the CMOPS, I mean terminology, we put further in the study.
Okay.
This is FS1. This is FS1.
Okay. Yes. Correct. No problem.
Or with OEM. But do you know OEM now or you don't know OEM?
I know. You can mention, no need to mention with OEM, we will do. We know OEM. Siemens and Honeywell is doing this.
Okay, very good. So this is important point. Okay. So FS1, I will put here FS1. FS1. Okay. So this is FS1. For I think no, this is R1. Actually, he has said R1, and this is FS1, and this is okay, and this is the indoor. So for indoor, no concern, but I am putting the R2 in case there is need for R2 job. HSCS, we will put the same restriction R3 so that in case of impairment of HSC.